how to buy and sell sneakers on Flight Club. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can buy and sell sneakers on Flight Club. As you all know, Flight Club is an amazing website where you can get beautiful sneakers, amazing sneakers at affordable prices. Alright, all kinds of sneakers. So if you want to get any, all you need to do is to browse through the website in order to get the one you want, and there are different category or headlines for them. There's, you can search by making use of the brand if you have a particular brand in mind, if you want new releases, if you want the top 20 picks and all of that. Just go ahead and select it. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be working with the top 20 picks, and then move to the right side and click on shop top 20 picks. Alright, so just click on it until you're taken to the next page. So on this page, you can now see the top 20 picks, and you can filter this by moving to the right side and then select the brand you want. Alright, for the top 20 picks. So for me, I selected Nike, and as you can see, these are the amazing sneakers that are available as the top 20. So I can just go ahead and select the one I want, or the one you want to buy. So after selecting it, you'll be taken to the next page. All right, and then once you're on this page, you'll see the sneakers in full version. You can see different angles and directions of the sneakers, and then move to the right side and select the size that you want. All right, the size sometimes determine the amount that you will be paying. And so after selecting the size, just go ahead, scroll up um and then scroll down, sorry, and click on the amount. All right, click on the amount and scroll down and click on checkout. And so you'll be taken to another page. On this page, if you've not added your shipping address, you'll be asked to add your shipping address. So go ahead, add your shipping address and all of that. And then by the right side, you can see two options. You can decide to select the at a lower, as the lowest price, or if you want a fast delivery. All right, the faster it is, the more the amount. Okay, so if I selected fastest to you, the page would load, and as you can see, more money has been added. All right, but if you want at the lowest price, you can just select lowest price as well. Then move to the right side, enter in your card if you want to pay using card. But if you do not want to pay using card, scroll down and click on other payment methods, and then the payment methods available will be displayed, which includes card and PayPal. So you can just select PayPal, or you can just select card. Then after entering in your card details, if you have a promo code, apply it, and it would reflect in the amount. Click on continue, then go ahead and click on place order, and then your order will be placed, your shoe will be shipped, and all you need to do is to wait for a notification via your email that your order has been delivered. So go to the delivery store, get it, and you're good to go. So this is how you can buy on Flight Club. Then if you want to sell, is another scenario. To sell, you cannot sell on this particular page. You'd have to go to the top right corner of your screen, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and in the search box, type the question how to sell on Flight Club. And so you'll be brought to this page. Okay, sell with Flight Club. So click on it. This is because in order for you to sell, you'll be taken to a site called sell.flightclub.com. So once you see that, just click on it, and then you'll be taken to the listing page where you'll be able to submit the sneakers that you'd like to sell. So the first step would be for you to create an account. All right, ensure you create an account on this page. This is another page entirely, so ensure you create an account. So that creating an account, enter in your email, enter in the password, then click on sign in. Okay, then you will ask to enter in an authentication code. Go ahead and do that. So after getting the token, ensure you paste it, and then you will be brought to your own page. So on this page, you can see this is my selling page. By the left side, you'll see number of submissions you've made, number of listed, number of sneakers that you've sold, the ones you've removed. So for you to sell a shoe, move to the top part of the screen here and click on sell shoes, or you could just go to the lower part of the screen here and click on submit shoe. Anyone, it's fine. The major thing is for you to get to this particular screen where you can see sell shoes, and then you'd have to search out the shoes that you'd like to sell. What brand exactly? Is it Jordan? Is it Nike? What kind of shoes are you trying to sell? For me, I want to work with Jordan, so I will just select Jordan, and then you can see different kinds of Jordan product. You can see we have about 400 searches here. So you can just go ahead and select the one you would like to sell. For me, I would go for Jordan 6 rings, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to choose a shoe size. All right. Yeah, you'd have to choose a shoe size. Then you have to select the quantity. How many do you have exactly? How many are you planning to sell? So I selected 6, and then you can see the lowest price. This is the lowest price that you can ever sell this particular sneakers, and so you have the right to increase it. Okay, you have the right to increase it to as much as you want, all right, depending on how much profit that you don't want to make. Okay, so you can see the number of earnings being displayed here. Then scroll down and then click on add. As after clicking on add, you can see that your shoes has been added to your submissions, and then after that you would wait for Flight Club to receive your submission, and then they will verify the shoes and all of that. And then after that, after verification has been made, it will be listed on the page. And once payment has been made, you'll be able to receive your earnings. And so I was brought back to this page because I selected 6 shoes. All right, I would like to sell 6 shoes. So you would have to, if you did that, so you would have to select sizes for each of the shoes that you've added. Okay, just like that's why it's still on the screen. But for you, if you selected one alone, you would see Flight Club would receive your submission. They will review your listing, including your product authenticity. All right, Flight Club takes authenticity very seriously, and they will verify your sneakers to ensure they are legit. And then once verified, your shoes will be listed across the networks. And then once you have a sale, you can request a digital payout via PayPal, or you can opt for a bank transfer also on this home page. So this is how you can buy and sell on Flight Club. I'm sure this has been a detailed tutorial. So if you've learned anything, ensure you subscribe and you leave a thumbs up for this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.